Miguel, me and Camila at the square. Philly waits at the radio tower. And no cell phones. Pero hasta el final, Camila.
I can't stop thinking about this kid. The military threw him on an outcast truck. We tried to stop it, but couldn't.
That's terrible. And I know this is hard. It's hard for all of us. Word of advice? Don't think about it.
Come here. Let's go, Chorizo. Carlos, I'm near the church.
Oye, it's Miguel.
Miguel? Where's Carlos?
He's busy. Can you get to the bell tower?
I think so.
Good. I left the rifle up there for you. Stay low. Don't let the soldiers see you.
Okay.
Suerte, my friend.
Here you go.
Attention, true Yaras. This is General Jose Castillo. I am happy to announce that I have captured several fake Yarans and terroristas guilty of murder and treason. Today, they will be hanged for their crimes in Verdera Square. Watch as I cleanse Yara of this treacherous filth. Greetings, fellow true Yaras. This is your General, Lion Jose Castillo speaking. A public execution of Yaran traitors will take place in...
We are in position. Okay, Jefe, I'm here. I'll keep the engine running. Suerte.
Caray, Jose.
Don't shoot until I say.
Hello, Yarans! You honor me today with your presence, just as I honor you with mine. These are the fake Yarans, and they have no place here in our paradise!
Con.
As punishment for their crimes, they will be hanged from the barrel of Yara's might!
What's our move, Carlos? Carlos!
Casi te pierdo, cabrón.